Hi, today I want to show you how to remove a hiss from the audio file. So to do that, first I have loaded the audio file in the Audacity, and here is how the audio sounds like.
अग्निमीळे पुरोहितं यज्ञस्य देवमृत्विजम् होतारं रत्नधातमम्.
So now I want to remove the hiss sound in the audio signal. To do that, first I need to select the part of just the hiss sound. I've selected the part where I can only see the hiss sound.
Agni.
I selected the part, go to the effect and select noise reduction, and you wanted to click this one to tell the Audacity that the thing that I've selected now is the noise profile. Now Audacity knows that the part that I've selected is purely the noise profile. So now what I want to do is I wanted to remove this noise profile among all the complete audio file. So I select whole thing, or Control A, Control C, go to the effect, click noise reduction. Now since the Audacity already know the noise profile, I would just say OK. Now you can see that it has significantly reduced the noise, and you can also observe in the waveform that was here. Let's see how it sounds like. So the quality is much better, but still there is some hiss noise that is still existing here. So what I'll do is I'll repeat the same process once again. Select the noise profile, which is a hiss sound, effect, noise reduction, get the noise profile. I've got the noise profile. Control A, Control C, select all the audio file, and then go to noise reduction again and say OK. You saw that the audio file is much clean now. Let's hear once.
Agniमीळे पुरोहितं यज्ञस्य देवमृत्विजम् होतारं रत्नधातमम्.
I'm satisfied with the audio quality. There is little to no hiss sound in the audio output audio. So now what I do is I just export as MP3. Clean. Then save. That's it, guys.